to another episode on our weekly vlog. I'm gonna show you guys what we got going on. And we got Tony here filming with his, oh, he's not filming anymore. Hey, what's up, Tony?
Hey, how are you doing?
Good, good.
Employee of the week, no?
Almost. He's getting there. Gotta keep his hopes up. So, I'm just gonna give you a quick tour. What's going on right now. So, Porsche McCann here. He just purchased it. It's a 2018. And this car came in for a front end. And then finally, he decided to actually add some black accents and do the complete car in our Expel Ultimate Plus protection film. So, it's gonna be a huge project. You guys are gonna see that later in the episode. And let's see what we got going on in the shop. So chrome delete actually going down right now on this Highlander. Max is on it. Just removing the roof rails just so we can get, yeah. So we're pulling out the rails just to do an awesome job on it. So they already did the side window trims. And then here we actually have a Jeep Gladiator. This is for our friends at Jeep Chrysler de Source, which is getting done completely in our satin black film, which is looking really good. Can't wait to have some complete shots of this one. So we took off the roof just so that we can finish up all the little details underneath. So when he pops off the roof, it looks really good. And yeah, RS3, wow, we have a lot of cars in here. Teslas, obviously. So this one's almost done. The complete protection's already done on the entire car. Just missing the bumper now. This one, full front end, rockers, RS3, entire car. And right now, I'm gonna go upstairs and finish cutting the Mercedes Maybach that we're doing at Toys Auto Art. This is Raja. I think we introduced you, Raja. He's actually a street magician. So if you guys see him on the streets, ask him to do a magic trick. He'll blow your mind. He'll blow your mind. He blew my mind last night. 3 diamonds, baby. So I know it looks pretty crazy when we're doing stuff like this, like everything's all over the, taken apart, but you have to, just to make sure that you get that full coverage that everybody wants. They don't want to see, you know, it just stopping right on the edge. They want to see it look like it's properly done, and that's why the team took the time, removed the fender flares so it could wrap under this, remove the trims. There's a lot of disassembly that went into this truck just to make sure that it's done properly. Yeah, so this is the dealership that is right beside Alfa Romeo. So we actually wrapped their Alfa Romeo. I don't know if you guys remember that one. That's the 6 Underground Alfa Romeo Quadrifoglio. That's in the showroom, still for sale, by the way. And this is actually for one of their clients. So that's super cool. I guess Tony's just setting up the kit right now. So he's loading up the alcohol, soap and water solutions, just so we can, our goal is to finish this Maybach before the end of the week. It's currently Wednesday, so we got another 2 days to do that car. Hey Paul, what are you doing?
I'm doing some windows.
Doing some windows.
Window done. Window doing.
What's percent?
Yeah. What's the percentage on this?
15 in the front, 5 in the back.
50 in the front, 5 in the back.
Looks legal, huh?
Yeah, it's a notch under legal. So for those who are actually wondering what the legal limit is, our legal limit in Montreal or Quebec is 70%. That means 70% of the light is supposed to pass through the window. And a lot of times people find that the 70% is a little bit too transparent. So what happens is they always go 1 notch under, which is a 50%, but you could easily be identified looking through a 50%. And yeah, we're criminals, guys. We tint windows under the legal limit, unfortunately. That's the law. In Florida, I don't think they have laws like this. I think you can tint them as dark as you want because of the sun. But yeah, cool. Where's Max? Oh, there's Max. Max,
Yes, sir, Miller.
¿qué pasó, amigo?
What's happened?
So this is the piece you removed?
Yeah.
Oh, you're talking about this rubber here.
Like this.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
But don't
And-
make it closer, it's good.
Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, this could be way better. Cool. You're gonna have someone help you lay this after?
From my lunch.
After lunch? Okay, cool. All right. Well, we're gonna go to toys, so see you guys in a bit.